first give you a perspective. The global market, what we term as mobile digital entertainment in a paid form, is currently about $48 billion. And it's kind of happened over the last 7 years or so. It's currently broken up into 4 segments: music, video, games and application, imagery, as 4 big pillars as such. The Indian market here, which has also been around for the same time, is roughly at end consumer price, probably about $1.3, $1.4 billion or thereabouts. Now, we have as a market been to a great extent, from a monetization perspective, been driven by text, IVR services, and only now will data services begin once we have proper 3G rollouts beginning to happen. Although, with 5 megahertz of spectrum allocation per carrier, we're not sort of kicking our heels about what is likely to happen. Nonetheless, there's one important segment which comes into play. Now, when you look at the ecosystem currently, there is a significant skew towards certain categories at this point in time. And a lot of what we refer to from a content perspective, and even if we were to look at broadcast, it's all video. But when you look at content, it shouldn't be only television channels. You look at publishing, you will look at healthcare, you will look at a whole cross-section of categories which will start getting incorporated as the market sort of opens. Earlier, I was mentioning that some of the carriers in India are doing as many as 300 services in the content-related services. And the example that I cited was that if I'm an expecting mother, I can subscribe to What to Expect When You're Expecting on a text-based services. And this is where it is now coming into this zone, particularly when you get into this entire thing of the right kind of platforms which are able to deliver. And a term, in fact, in Barcelona a couple of days back, Gautam's boss was there. Eric Schmidt, in his keynote talked about this, and this whole, theme of this is a media which is like 1 billion to 1 kind of, as opposed to 1 to billion approach. Because with the kind of ability to know what consumers are liking, where they are liking, when they are liking, and as you kind of, evolve this. Now, this may seem very theoretical, but believe you me, that's the pace at which it is beginning to happen right now. And in that context, this leads me to the next phase. What we've really done in the last 4 or 5 years is just take existing content, sort of digitize it, transcode it, meta tag it, and enable it for sort of so-called the 3 interactive screens, be it mobile, be it internet, be it cable VOD, IPTV. But now, as data services grow, we're likely to see more made for mobile and made for digital, beginning to happen, which will also flow into your DTH platforms. I mean, already DTH carriers are looking at their own customized programs as well of what can be done. We are seeing that whether it's in gaming, education, healthcare and areas like that. These are all value-added services which are coming in and making a meaningful impact in that. So I think we're in an interesting phase right now, but at least over the next 12, 18 months, this market will still be in what I would term as cautious optimism